So this year we're just going to do a classic Christmas wrap to show you what you can do at home. Can you tell Anna doesn't really want to be on camera? I'm looking at Anna saying, talk, Anna. Okay, let's get going. I will stop forcing Anna to speak. Right, what do we do first, Anna? Let's take off.
Roll it.
Just to let you know, we've obviously pre-cut some sellotape here, very Blue Peter style. These ribbons came from Selfridges. They've got really nice wiring at the back, so they can either go on the tree or on Christmas gifts.
We have the sellotape on the side rather than on the long side. So we're just going to see how much we need. About.
No pressure. That's probably the worst cutting I've ever done.
Next, you will see where the edge is going to be, like this. And then you can stick one piece here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And then we just fold it a little bit.
So make a straight edge.
That's like an straight edge.
So you do the edge before you actually nail it down.
So it's like
interesting.
nicely on the side.
Oh, that's really nice to have this edge.
And then you just fold it up.
Oh,
And
wow.
that's it.
I mean, she says that's it. I have to say, mine do not look like this. So it's, I guess, a standard wrap, but really neat.
At the end, when we have too much over here, we just fold it like this, push it from the side, and fold it like this. And then we take the scissors and cut over it.
All the extra.
Not too much, otherwise there will be a gap. And then we do the
So
same
that's
thing.
really interesting. So it doesn't need to be super tidy because you're folding over
Because
the
we're
edge.
folding it again like this, and always make sure it's nicely. And now you see we just fold it again like this anyway.
That's clever.
So looks like this.
That's really
And
clever.
that's it.
What did we just wrap? Chocolates. Right, this is the fun part now. What ribbon are we going to choose? So we've got this really gorgeous, this is from Selfridges, you buy it by the meter. Put this stuff off.
Do you want to stick it at the bottom together? Or do you want to make a bow? That's how much.
But then how would we actually put on this extra tartan?
Well, I think if you put it together at the bottom, basically use this back and just squish it together and just.
As tight as possible.
Okay.
So that actually looks a little bit messy in the middle, but it doesn't matter so much because we're going to cover it with the next piece, which hopefully will look neater. This
This is good for the bow.
here. So, actually I'm just going to cut this off. Anna's going to take off my new nails. And at the front, we're going to pop on one of these. No, I'll go for the red.
Yeah, I think so too.
So these have got little wires in, so it's quite nice because they're reusable, but also obviously quite fun. So, our first Christmas gift. We're going to next go for another gold paper, but so that we're layering up in terms of the metallic feel. This one is a glitter gold, so quite elegant and chic, but we'll layer up with the different golds that we're using. And maybe this one would just be the red ribbon, a bow made of the ribbon. So there's a 4 and a bow. So I'm going to leave our expert with you for that one. Thank you for watching our classic Christmas wrapping video. We may do another one for you, which is Christmas wrapping with a twist. So stay tuned because there may be more coming. If you enjoyed this one, hopefully there'll be another. And in the meantime, can you guys tell me what your preference is? Do you like a classic Christmas wrap? Do you like to go all out and do something really intricate? Are you not really bothered? What is your Christmas style in terms of wrapping? And do you have any tips and tricks? Because they are all very welcome. So do write us in. Anna is the expert, so she may be answering you, but I will be reading, very interested in all of your comments. So thank you so much for watching and hopefully see you soon.